going fast. I like the idea of getting all the money together on the ground and then throwing it all at once. Again, this is all for the kids. We need some support. Give them some support. You guys are doing great. Keep going. There you go. Uh-oh. They're getting tired. They need more money. You get back. Help me out. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, man. There's some behind you if you need it. Oh, we got a war right here. They're in the same spot. Are you guys representing school? What school are you representing? Alright, who's the wild one? Alright, Mr. Charles, you got some... Everybody, how are we doing? Good. Oh, it's almost all dried up. We got some over here. There you go, nice move. One to your left. We're almost there. And I think that's it. $5,000. Give a big round of applause. Give them applause, guys. We will let you guys know who the winner is in the third quarter. All right. Great job, everybody. Great job.